Hello, my name is Martin Kornfeld, and I want to tell you about a situation that has been going on for 7 years in Brooklyn Supreme Court. My longtime girlfriend sued P.C. Richard and Son for causing a fire in her apartment. She also sued her longtime landlord, Robert Palmer, because he tried all kinds of things to stop Miss Fursko and her family from moving back into the apartment, including not fixing up the apartment in proper time, so that she had to go to the city to force Mr. Palmer to fix the apartment. Now, this case has gone on for 7 years because of graft and corruption committed by judges. The illegal actions against Miss Fursko and her family, trying to keep the family from returning to their apartment after a fire that was caused by P.C. Richard employees who installed an electrical stove by means of attaching the stove electrical plug to extension cords running across the kitchen wall to the electric plug of the refrigerator, causing combustion in the wiring in the wall, resulting in an overload, creating a fire 4 months later. I personally wrote to the Attorney General, and this is what the letter was. To Attorney General Eric T. Schneiderman and the Public Integrity Bureau, dated November 6, 2014. I have written 35 handwritten pages describing in full detail persons who have acted quite inappropriately in a case in Brooklyn Supreme Court. These people are corrupt and feel that their actions will have no consequences because they are operating in a legal system that protects its own. Any complaints, especially one of this magnitude, would be squashed quickly. Even the honest judges and lawyers have to look away, caught up in a system that really has no checks and balances. This was a premeditated series of actions by court personnel over a long period of time, trying to force the plaintiff, Ms. Fursko, who's disabled and on a fixed income, to drop the 2 court cases. P.C. Richard, the electronics giant, orchestrated these actions through their political and financial power. The other defendant, Robert Palmer, is also involved in these payoffs. The other key player is Governor Andrew Cuomo. Through close investigation coupled with the paperwork I have provided, all of these people need to be apprehended who think they are above the law. Please read the 35 pages slowly to grasp the circumstantial thread that ties all of these actions together, as well as the evidentiary proof. Please call me if you have any questions. Sincerely, Martin Kornfeld. I received a letter dated November 20th, and this letter is a letter that probably sent to most people, and they don't pay attention to anything. It says, "Dear Mr. Kornfeld, on behalf of Attorney Eric T. Schneiderman, I thank you for the information you provided to our office dated November 6, 2014. The Public Integrity Bureau has carefully reviewed your correspondence and has determined that your complaint does not warrant action by this office at this time. Please be advised that this office does not provide legal opinions nor represent individuals. If you believe that you may have an individual claim, you may wish to consult a private attorney. Your local bar association provides attorney referrals. Please note, the complaint you have filed with this office has no effect on any statute of limitations filing deadlines that might apply to your claim. By filing a complaint with this office, you have not initiated a lawsuit or a proceeding, nor has this office initiated a lawsuit or a proceeding on your behalf. Thank you again for bringing this matter to our attention. Very truly yours." There is no signature on this letter, so what happened was I called up immediately to find out who made this decision, and I wanted to know if Attorney General Schneiderman really knew about this. They couldn't answer me, and they wouldn't even call me back. This is a matter of mass graft and corruption, and this is why the Attorney General is looking the other way. When he was on TV every day before he was elected, it was just to get elected. He kept saying he wants to take care of all the graft and corruption. Well, that's a lot of BS. We can see that that's not true. If you read my paperwork on Facebook under Martin Kornfeld 24, you will be able to read the whole story, the whole involvement of all these people, all of these judges, the law secretaries. They all acted inappropriately because they were being paid off. Maybe the payoff didn't come directly from P.C. Richard and Sons, who are multi-millionaires, but that probably came from other sources that they gave the money to, and it went through them. Now,